Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either one of the factory presets or presets created by third-party creators. We are still at the factory going through those presets, and we let the random number generator pick out another one for us. So turn your Axe FX3, your FM9, or your FM3 to preset number 352, Reverb DYNAMIX. Let's listen to a little sample. Well, here we are at the random number generator. All right, let's change minimum to 0, max to 383, and hit generate. 352. All right, let's check that out. I checked, and preset number 352 is Reverb DYNAMIX on all 3 units, and the preset is the same on all of them. They even have the same scene names. The Axe FX3 version uses between 35 and 38% of the CPU. The FM9 version running on the Axe FX3 also, well, it's exactly the same, so it takes between 35 and 38%. So I'd be guessing 47 to 50% on the actual FM9 unit. The FM3 version uses between 57 and 59% of the CPU. Okay, so let's look under the hood of this preset. It has 4 scenes: Clean V1, Clean V2, Dirt V1, and Dirt V2. Now besides the in and out blocks, it uses 5 blocks: the comp block, amp block, cab block, delay block, and the reverb block. The comp block uses the JFET compressor type in channel A and is used in scenes 1 and 2. The amp block uses the Brit JM45 in channel A for scenes 1 and scenes 2. It uses the Cameron CCV2A in channel B for scenes 3 and scenes 4. The cab block uses Factory 2 number 848, a 4x12 Recto ST121 Brit YA, and the YA stands for York Audio, and that is used in all 4 scenes. Now the delay block is very, very busy in this preset. It uses digital stereo in channel A for scene 1. It uses the dual delay in channel B for scene 2. It uses the digital stereo type in channel C for scene 3. And it uses the dual delay type in channel D for scene 4. The reverb block uses the chorus hall type in channel A and is used in all 4 scenes. Now there's a note down here that says ADSR equals reverb mix. Well, we should look into that. We go to the reverb block, reverb mix. The yellow dot is highlighted, so let's do a right click. Here's the edit modifier for the reverb mix. Source 1 says ADSR 1. And as you can see, that's from the list of controllers. Well, okay, but what does that mean? An ADSR is an envelope generator. ADSR stands for attack, decay, sustain, and release. Those are the 4 time segments that determine how long it takes for the entire envelope to run its course. Now if we click on controllers and go down here to ADSR 1, we can see that there are 10 adjustable parameters, including attack, decay, sustain, and release. These 4 parameters working together change the value of the reverb mix. If you add up the time values for these 4 parameters, you get 6,759.79 milliseconds. Basically, that is close to 7 seconds total. By comparison, the first delay unit that our band bought back in the 80s was mono and had a maximum time of 256 milliseconds, or 1/4 of a second. I'll demo the preset using the Axe FX3 and we'll list the scene names. So there you have it, guys. Factory preset number 352, Reverb DYNAMIX. This one is an excellent example of a preset that is exactly the same across all three platforms. And wow, talk about cavernous reverb. Try it out, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about it. Now this Friday we are going to be looking at the chorus block by special request. Now you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right guys, I will be talking with you soon.